Today on Make It Bake It, we are making chicken nuggets, and we're making them outside because it's gorgeous. So let's get to it. Remember, you can always read the whole recipe on MakeItBakeItShow.com. Mix the gluten-free breadcrumbs, potato starch, salt, and pepper, and then set aside. Here we used fresh breadcrumbs that we dried in the oven for about 5 or 7 minutes until they were lightly browned. Next, season your chicken with salt and pepper. Place them in a Ziploc bag and add potato starch seasoning salt. Shake the bag really well to coat all the chicken pieces. Whisk the eggs and 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl and set aside. Dip the coated chicken in the egg first and then in the breadcrumbs. Add some oil to your pan and let it heat up over medium heat. Then pan fry the chicken nuggets for 6 to 9 minutes until cooked through and browned nicely. You could also bake these if you'd like in a 350 oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again next time. Ciao!